everyone.
Hey!
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Watching.
Yeah.
There's our cat.
Yeah, our cat's stuck inside and not a very happy camper right now.
But she was earlier.
Oh,
So
outside earlier.
we're about to play some football.
Yes, and you're going to work on your one-handed catches.
Not always, but two-handed.
Oh, and two-handed catches. So basically, we're going to...
yeah, so let's be happy and do everything you can to be happy.
We got it. All right, y'all. Let's enjoy a video.
All right.
Small. There's one for each on this. Okay.
All right, you'll be on offense.
I'm on defense.
Okay. Right. Go.
Okay.
Nice. Sit cat.
I'm up.
Yeah.
I'm on this side.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Down, sit. Hike.
Well, you're still on offense.
I'm not the best of footballers, if we haven't noticed.
Yeah.
I kind of suck, in other words. Thank you. Down, sit. Hike. Oh. Oh. All right.
Alright, here we go, guys.
Here we
Here
go.
goes.
Here we go again.
Wait. Leave in the comments who do you think will win.
Really? Leave in the comments if you think I have any chance whatsoever of winning.
Yes. Please say I will.
I don't have a chance. Down. The hike. Good child.
You're new.
I'm actually trying too.
Yeah.
Hike.
Yeah. He has no chance! Team Carolina versus the Cleveland.
What's nothing wrong with Cleveland?
Cleveland sucks.
Clearly they can't be that bad if I'm on it.
You're probably the best player on their team if you play.
Shoot.
I got you.
I got
Last down.
Oh, bless me.
Last down.
Ah.
Last down and then it's my ball.
Hold on, I gotta stop sneezing. Allergies.
She says it's allergies.
Alright. Ready? And hike.
My ball, my ball. My ball.
Oh. Okay, let's do it. Cowboy. I'm wearing socks. I could have been barefoot. I could have been wearing shoes. I'm wearing socks.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wait,
If you draw, oh, can I take you? Oh, goal, football, goal, end zone is right here. I have a little stick for end zone.
We have a little stick, and it's not like a real football field.
Obviously.
Yeah, of course. Right.
Woo. Really? We're still playing? Getting my butt whooped by a 7-year-old.
Yep. And she's 30 what?
I am 37. 37, yes. You're 7 and you're whooping my
I'm 30 years younger.
tuchus. 30 years younger, that's right. That's good math right there, buddy. On your mark. I mean, down, set. Can I have a chance?
No. Yes.
Hike.
Ah! Hike. Why not for the single? Looking for a Caroline.
Oh. I don't know if y'all can see those little victory dances that he's doing. Not very cool. Yeah. Okay, I caught it.
She's even scared of the ball. Right. And I can make another one. Alright, bye guys.
Bye guys, thank you so much. We had a lot of fun playing basketball.